Hey, Mark here, December 1st, 2023. I was having some problems with my fridge. I replaced a defrost heater and I wanted to see if it's working. I put the defrost timer on the defrost setting and I'm able to use my temperature gun to get into see through a slot, and it seems like it's working. So I'll see if I can show this. So you can see the inside of the fridge is 37 degrees right now, but the defrost timer is right in there. I don't know if this is showing. Is this showing? Here. 187 degrees. So I'm getting right through that slot. That's where it is, and it is working. Thanks for watching.